What's up guys, Frankie here aka Super Speed 02 and welcome to the channel with another video here. And today we're gonna be installing sway bars on the Mustang with the new wheels. I don't know if you outside, but I have new wheels. But yeah guys, I got some sway bars from iBack. This one's just the front one right now because we're attempting to install the front ones before the sunset. So yeah, my boy Crystal here gonna help me out. Yeah guys, let's get started. So first things first, before putting the new one, you have to take the old one off, which is I don't know if you can see, if you have enough light right here, but it's this right here. We connected right here to the swivel link. Of course, there is two bolts on each side, so there's two here, two there. They are both around, I think I'm gonna say 13mm here and 15mm there, or probably 13 too. So this should only be around 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes for, of course, just to take everything out of here. I apologize, you can see good, but it's just there's not a lot of lighting right now. So yeah, we're gonna try to get to it and do the best. All right guys, so we got some light here, and it keeps us warm right now.
Oh shoot.
My buckets got that side. I'm gonna get this side real quick.
When we're done, can you check my muffler bearing, bro?
Alright, which are your
I think they're
going
bad.
Alright, then we're gonna get, I don't know if you can see it now, but there's one right here, so we're gonna get that one. And we're gonna replace them with some high quality polyurethane, I think that's how they call bearings. And they are greasable, so you can actually grease them with regular grease. I don't know if you can see right there, little grease point. I said that I was passing somebody in the highway and my car was just moving too much to the sides, so I decided to go for this.
You just need a new car, bro.
So
just throw it away. Take it off your hands. Just get a new car.
No.
How about that?
Nope.
Come on, bro.
So we're gonna get this in the front, and tomorrow, or yeah, on tomorrow we're gonna get the one in the back, and then we're gonna get another video on the car different after this. And yeah guys, that's gonna be all. Alright guys, we already took the old one out. This one is the old one right here. As you can see, it's pretty, I don't know, they both look alike, but this one, the iBack, looks a little bit wider on the sides and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go check, and I'm sorry for the light thing right here, is my phone. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this one, and then we will be done for today. Alright guys, so we already mounted this. We didn't really get enough time to record it, and
oh shoot.
You good, homie? Oh no, yeah. No. There is, I don't know, you cannot see this one. Let me get the light here. I don't know if you can see, but there is 3 different holes right there, and we put it on there is regular setup all the way on the back, and then the middle one is kind of like medium, and then the front one is a pretty aggressive setup. So that's what we're gonna do for this. And we already have the front one pretty much set up, everything there. So we're gonna go, and I will see you guys tomorrow to finish the install. Alright guys, this is day number 2 of the install. And I know y'all couldn't see much last night, but we got to take the old sway bar here. And you can see the bushings were about to go out on this one. The one was alright, but yeah, let me show you right here what else do we do here. Alright, so I don't know if you could see better last night, but this is what we did. Put it this way. This way right here has 3 different holes for a different setup, how you want each. So the farthest one, this one right here, is for like just regular driving conditions, just normal. The second one is like mild, kind of like street and drag, kind of like firm street conditions, just street driving regular. And this one is firm or the most aggressive one for track use and whatever. It does say not to use it with for some reason it just says to not use it when it's raining, like just drive the vehicle while it's raining. But I mean, I don't know, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. We have the new bushing set up. I just had to grease them right here. We put the other one over there and this one over here, all the way over here. So now we're gonna make sure everything is tied up together pretty good. Grease these and then go ahead and lower it. Start working on the rear that I haven't put it on yet. So yeah, you're gonna have to go ahead and get to do that. So we have the rear one here. So you see right there, this is the rear one and all the hardware in it. Let me show you what we're dealing with here right quick. We're gonna have to take this bolt right here, which is not bad. It's like, I think it's a 50mm or something like that. And this bolt right here and the other one right here. I don't know if you can see it on this side. It's right here. Same process over there. So yeah, we already got this one's out right here and right there. Finally got the back one out. These things to take off were a pain in the butt. But yeah, we're gonna get the new one in there. Except for this part right here, doesn't look that curve on the new one. It does look a little bit thicker than the old one is. And here, just gonna check the little new parts for this one. It has new aluminum brackets. Alright, so let's see here. This just look like the new let's see, mounts for this one. They are definitely aluminum. Alright guys, so I got it set up, but I did not see this pretty much this little part right here that was from the original that holds the original bolt. Everything is one part, one piece right here, right? Well, the new ones provide you with a bolt and a nut. So I'm like, I put the other one. I was like, wait a minute. So I just decided I'm gonna put the new one that came with it. I just put everything brand new and tie it up together. I set to the other side. And then get this one squared up. Yeah, like this one squared up here with this one, and it should be all. Alright guys, so I got everything put on there, everything put over there. This is the last bolt I have to put on, and then I lower the car, and it should be done, guys. So this is gonna be all for this video. If you like it, please leave a like and show your friends and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have an amazing day. See you on the next video.